We have a world of innovation that's taken place over the last 3 years. If you've been anywhere in the globe, you've seen that technology has made sci-fi real. But one of the people that's at the forefront of a lot of those innovations and things that are going on is a man sitting in front of me today.
Welcome to GenAI Talks.
Ali, can you introduce yourself, your company, and tell a little about yourself?
Hey, thanks for having me.
Oh,
Well, I'm Ali Payani. I'm a CEO and founder of Payani Group. We basically built an ecosystem of intelligent businesses that they connect in media and AI. So we have a series of marketing agencies and then AI platform that they are working the marketing and automations.
Can you share a little bit? I heard that you started a marketing company when you got here just to make ends meet. Now we're here.
Right.
So can you share a little about that journey and that experience?
Well, my background is in AI, machine learning, and robotics. And I moved to Dubai and I studied there cybersecurity, programming, and AI. I moved to the US in 2016 and with my AI startup. But at the time, I had zero funding. Actually, I came to Plug and Play 10 years ago. And that was at the time I was just a startup. So I went back to LA and I was like, all right, so I need money. So let's just start a door-to-door marketing agency asking companies or stores for websites. So we got one and then we got another. And then the marketing agency became really big. We became Inc. 5000 in 2022 as one of the fastest growing agencies. But my background is in AI, so we started developing our AI solutions in media and marketing. So now with Payani Group, it's basically an ecosystem of marketing agencies, the creative part. Communication would be engage-based AI, which obviously we'll talk more about it. And then we have like on the performance results, another platform, MarkBase. We have BeFound.ai. So it would be basically a collection and ecosystem of the solutions for media and AI.
Is that really a way to describe like how you saw the issues and really solutioned and built your own platform from?
Right. Exactly. I think the difference is we are like the soldiers in the field, so we know like what the problems or the pain points of the companies, mid-size to enterprise. And the startups as well, right? Which I think these smaller companies is way better and now because they can act fast. But yeah, those are the problems we saw in every size of the companies over time, and then we start building solutions for it. And now AI really enabled make things faster, not just the development, but also the results or even how the whole platform works. So it's real the generative AI really make it enabled. Like all these problems to be solved.
Can you speak a little bit like the product that you built there and how you kind of came to those challenges?
Sure. So that's something we do at the Payani Media. That's something we started storytelling for the brands, for the companies. We come up with the strategies, and we use AI tools for that creative part. When it comes to the communication, this Engage Beast AI, that's the platform we just launched a month ago, and now we have a really great traction. And the problem is really born out of the problem of all of our clients at the agency. They were not aware of all the messages and DMs on their social media, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp business and all that. And they couldn't see it and they couldn't answer it. Or they would see it, but they wouldn't answer it. So we built Engage with AI. Now they basically have all these messages in one inbox and AI write the replies based on the tone of the company, culture of the company, their services, products, so they can build the agents inside the EngageBase. So that's one of the solutions. Another would be MarkBase AI, would solve a problem of companies asking questions. So they were like all these businesses, our clients at the agency, mid-size again to enterprise, they would come to meetings with me. So like, hey, what is that campaign? What is it working really? What is the ROI here? So there was like a lot of customized questions that as a really expert strategist or marketer could only answer. Not any other platforms. So basically what we built is all of our expertise over 10 years built into platforms, how to answer, how to determine like if it's something is going on, something is good or not, in the campaigns, it changes. So basically it's kind of like an operating system of the marketing and AI, intelligent AI assistant basically for marketing.
When you speak about what you're seeing applying AI to this problem that most people maybe not be aware of.
Well, I think marketing department was the first department hit by the AI. I remember was when 3.5 GPT launched, we were the first adopters. So we started using it on generating contents, on generating headlines, taglines, descriptions for the campaigns. And we were the first adopters. So if the business wants to basically use, if that's the question, how to use it or what platform to use. That's why we build the ecosystem. Like, hey, we have all the technologies that you really need for your marketing. And really, it's enabled the sales team and customer service, which also impact the marketing results. And I think that's what is good about it.
How do you see the role of marketing really integrating with technology more and more over the coming year?
All right. I think the AI specifically, let's say from technology, is making more clear. So that's something I'm talking more about it even today is on clarity. So we already had the automations. We had tons of dashboards, automations, workflows, all that from different really good softwares and platforms. But I think the AI and technology made marketing more clear to understand the data, to be faster, to create like workflows or create contents or create campaigns. So that make it faster and more clear. So I think that's something is happening in the marketing agencies and marketing departments, as well as, again, the sales and customer service. I think these three departments are really connected to each other now.
Can you share maybe a tip or something that most CMOs aren't thinking about today?
Well, what we see, again, because now we have the marketing agencies, so we talking to these CMOs, right? And VP of marketing, marketing directors of the big companies as well. All of their concern is, one is on the privacy sometimes, on the data that they are, depending on the size of the companies. I think something is missing is a team. So that's something I usually suggest to all these companies, small or big, is to build a really small team of the AI people. Consists of your marketing team, sales team, and some AI tech savvy people. Like maybe you need a team of like 5 or 4. So to go and find the use cases within each department very fast and start just somewhere. Start like maybe build the first automations using like the AI agents for your content marketing, for example, So it starts somewhere with a really small team to can handle all this.
What is your big bet for the future?
Right. What we are working on it is MarkBase AI is the future of marketing, basically. So the vision is in 10 years, it's basically going to automate about like 95% of the work in the marketing departments. So it's learning a lot. So it's learning the whole game of the marketing agencies and marketing teams. And it's executed on its own, and it can be monitored by its own. So that, I think, MarkBase AI would be part of the future. And obviously, like the other platforms that we are also building are all part of basically our ecosystem, I would say, like maybe it's part in the future of the marketing.
How can people follow you and stay in tune with your business?
Well, if you visit payanigroup.com, so you can sign up to get the newsletters and updates from all other companies we have. But we can stay connected there.
Hey, well, y'all heard it here first. Let's have some fun.
All right.
See you soon.
Let's see you.
Big ideas, real tools, bold moves. That's what GenAI Talks is all about. Don't miss what's next. Subscribe and explore more in our GenAI community.